How was the day? Are you ready for the evening? So here we go. So Professor Karandikar and me, we have been close friends for quite some time. In 2014, we shared the dais at a FICCI conference. I have been friends thereon. So I was supposed to come sometime in the morning. They decided I should come for the entertainment evening. So I'll start with the entertainment. Correct. So first and foremost, I congratulate you on the Diamond Jubilee of your college. I think I'm the only non-IITian here. I belong to a college which celebrated its century in 1981. The college is St. Stephen's College in Delhi. And I'm a history postgraduate, somehow straight into technology. I've created an ERP. I've also created lots of other things. And presently, I'm one of the top-ranked professional public speaker and technology evangelists in this country. Correct. One small thing before you get into all those pious and reeking sort of an evening, the buzz all around the place. That would be the last 10 years of my life. I have been in a government position where I have seen crisis after crisis. And that crisis has not been law and order or of investigation. That crisis has been my tryst with IT. So we have 23 IITs in India, but when we look for people to support us in the government, to provide us that support, we get into lots of companies, Indian and multinational, and they give us the nature of the talent, which I think we can only abhor of. Correct. So 10 years, now all of you are there. We'll take you to the next thought. I'll just give you 4 or 5 thoughts. Be patient. It will help all of us. And what I call this, that after 60 years, 70 years of IT, we are going into the next stage, which I call IIT 2.0. And that IIT 2.0 is that we graduate from creating students as products to help create governments to reach to the next level. So might be we are getting into the sex actualization level of IITs as an enterprise being there to give something back to the government. We all belong to the same family, yes or no? Somehow there is a feeling that IIT belongs to the private enterprise. It doesn't, it's a part of the government. It's funded by the government. My salaries and Professor Karandikar's salary comes from the same source as the public exchequer. Correct? Somehow, say AFMC, the medicals go back to the Indian Army. Correct? So when we are in crisis of talent, when we need your support, when the governance quality has not improved considerably in last 10, 20, 30, 40 years, of which all of us face the music. If traffic is bad, you also face the music. If the medical situation, anything, if the chikungunya or anything, all of you face the music. It's not only me. So it's time to give back what you have got from the Indian society, Indian government, Indian public exchequer. Correct. So there's one part of the story. Second part of the story is the great startup story, which Bangalore belongs to. And this is a completely techie scene. So what has finally happened in the startup story, I live in HSR layout, which is supposed to be the startup capital of India, so to say. So we don't start with technology, we don't start with the business model. What we start with is a PPT. And that PPT is to attract an investor. And the day you get the funding, we get into Audis and BMWs and villas and something. After 3-4 years of all that exercise, we might end up again in a corporate enterprise or somewhere else. And there's another group of professionals who at the age of 40, 45, they have lost interest. They get tensed up for everything. 15, 20 years in a corporate enterprise at 45 years of age, you are still having tension, which means last 20 years, what did you do, man? So they retire into shares, some disinvestment, that investment, startup. So it's a time pass for them. They have 2-3 houses in Bangalore. It took me 20-25 years to create a modest dwelling for me. But when you're in the IT, 27 years one house, 32 years another house, 34 years other. So your asset management has taken care of your technical capability. So there are lots and lots of things which are coming by. And as we move on and on, we are getting into the age of automation. Data entry operators have gone. Travel agents are going. Correct. And the way things are going in this direction, whichever it is, I think ML and AI is on the verge of knocking you out of the business. Correct. So that manual capability to run technology, I think that is already out. So, in a world where there is already Industrial Revolution 4.0, 0.0 in Japan, Internet 2.0. So we need IIT 2.0. So they are the power, they are the technological powerhouse which will take us to where will it take us? To a $5 trillion economy. Technology has to be the game changer, and the technology is to be the game changer. You are the game changer, right or wrong? Correct. And this you are committing before drinking. After drinking, what you will do, I have absolutely no idea. You will say that we will create a $15 trillion economy. So it be, dream big. We don't want unicorns which are $1 billion and $3 billion. We want unicorns which are $30 billion, which are $300 billion, which are $1 trillion. IITs have not leveraged on their talent to date. I think it is still in the nascent stage. The best is yet to come. Right or wrong? The best is yet to come. The day we have research centers, national level research centers, which throw up Nobel laureates, which throw us experts in literally any emerging area of technology, whether it is 3D printing, whether it's 5G, whatever might be, I think that is the day when we have arrived, when we can boast not only of the institute, but of the product which you have given. Every village in this country should have made in IIT, made in IITK, made in IITD, made in IITB, things of that nature. You people have delved a lot, you have worked a lot through the whole day, I presume, and you have very nostalgic memories of your college, the same way as I have my college. Correct. And being a general college, I think out of the 11 CEOs, multinational CEOs in the world today, Indian CEOs, 4 come from St. Stephen's College. After doing history, economics, things of that nature, how many should come from the IITs? You should rule the world. You should rule India first, then you will rule the world. You are our brand ambassador all around the place. Brand ambassadors in India as well. Correct. So future is yours. Opportunity is up for grabs. The ideas has to be bigger and bigger and bigger. All of you know of Shenzhen. Have you heard of Shenzhen? You have heard of Shenzhen? How many years did it take to make Shenzhen? 15 years. 500,000 people to 13.5 million people. Today the Shenzhen pace of technology is the benchmark and not the Silicon Valley pace of technology. Create a Shenzhen India. Have a great evening. Enjoy yourself. Thank you for inviting me here. Bye. Take care. God bless.